It is a simple fact. Wind is cheaper than oil and the most economic source of energy on the high seas. And yet, shipping companies are not taking advantage of this attractive savings potential at present, for a simple reason. So far, no sail system has been able to meet the requirements of today's maritime shipping industry. Now, for the first time, SkySails is offering a wind propulsion system based on large towing kites, which meets all these challenges and requirements. Depending on the prevailing wind conditions, a ship's average annual fuel costs can be reduced by 10 to 35% by using the SkySails system. Under optimal wind conditions, fuel consumption can temporarily be cut by up to 50%. The SkySails system consists of three simple main components: a towing kite with rope, a launch and recovery system with a winch, and a control system for automatic operation. The ship's crew can operate the SkySails system from the bridge. Launch and recovery can be initiated at the push of a button. The launch and recovery system manages the automatic deployment and lowering of the towing kite and is installed on the forecastle. During launch, a telescopic mast lifts the towing kite, which is reefed like an accordion, from its storage compartment. At sufficient height, the towing kite then unfurls to its full size and can be launched. A winch releases the towing rope until operating altitude has been reached. The ship's main engine can then be throttled back to save fuel. The SkySails automatic control system performs the tasks of steering the towing kite and adjusting its flight path. All information on the operation status of the system is displayed in real time on the monitor of the SkySails control panel, and thus easily accessible for the crew. Instead of a traditional sail fitted to a mast, SkySails uses large towing kites for the propulsion of the ship. Their shape is comparable to that of a paraglider. The towing kite is made of high-strength and weatherproof textiles. The tethered flying SkySails can operate at altitudes between 100 and 300 meters, where stronger and more stable winds prevail. By means of dynamic flight maneuvers, for example the figure of 8, SkySails generate 2 to 3 times more power per square meter sail area than conventional sails. The tractive forces are transmitted to the ship via a highly tear-proof, high-tech synthetic rope. Their double-wall profile gives the SkySails towing kites aerodynamic properties similar to the wing of an aircraft. Thus, the SkySails system can operate not just downwind, but at courses of up to 50 degrees to the wind as well. Unlike conventional forms of wind propulsion, the heeling caused by the SkySails system is minimal and virtually negligible in terms of ship safety and operation. The recovery process of the SkySails towing kite is performed in reverse order. The entire launch and recovery procedure is carried out automatically and lasts approximately 10 to 20 minutes each. The textile towing kite is easy to stow when folded and requires very little space on board ship. A folded 160 square meter SkySails, for example, is only the size of a telephone booth. In contrast to conventional sail propulsions, the SkySails system has no superstructures which may obstruct loading and unloading at harbours or navigating under bridges, since the towing kite is recovered as soon as the 3-mile zone is reached. Already at today's oil prices, the acquisition costs for a SkySails system generally amortize within 3 to 5 years. Virtually all existing cargo vessels and new builds, as well as fish trawlers and super yachts, can be retro or outfitted with the SkySails auxiliary wind propulsion system. This dual propulsion solution offers the flexibility required to minimize operating costs. By using a SkySails system, foresighted shipping companies now have the opportunity to increase their competitiveness and yields.